Okay guys, today is Christmas Eve. Yay! Got my last cake in the oven, so I'm almost done with all of my desserts. Are you guys done with yours? Okay, let's get started. We are on day number 11. Oh my God, I'm so excited about the 12 days of Christmas KAL. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the wonderful prizes you have seen. We only have one more prize after today, which will land on Christmas Day. That was Jordan's idea, so you guys can congratulate him on that. So, without further ado, the winner for day 11 is Little Miss Muffet, post number 152, Melba. Yay! So Melba, you will be receiving some Uru yarn. That's what you said it was called. Uru. Those pretty green colors. It is going to be in the colorway compact, 80% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 400 yards, fingering weight. You will also receive your 6 count of your crochet needles. You will also receive this handy dandy little storage case for all of your baubles and gadgets, etc. So, Jordan, let's tell her what's on her project bag. What does it read?
Prove them wrong.
Prove them wrong, Melba.
Do it.
Prove them wrong. Do it. So get in contact with me via Ravelry and I will get this out in the mail to you. Okay, stay tuned for the last one of the year. Right, Jordan?
Right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.